Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great way to make money online by crafting articles, blogs, and content for different websites. If you enjoy writing and have a good grasp of grammar, this could be a lucrative side hustle for you. To start as a freelance writer, you can sign up on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. These websites connect freelance writers with clients who need writing services. Creating a profile that stands out is crucial. Make sure to include samples of your work, highlight your writing skills, and specify the topics you're comfortable writing about. A well-written profile helps attract more clients. When it comes to earnings, beginners usually earn around $15 to $30 per hour, depending on the complexity of the topic and the demand for the subject area. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can start charging more. Improving your writing skills and learning how to write SEO-friendly content can also significantly boost your potential earnings. Consistently delivering high-quality work and getting positive reviews will help you increase your rates and secure long-term clients. This side hustle can start as a part-time job, but has the potential to grow into a full-time career if you're dedicated and skilled. 2.